Hello, my name is Mike and I'm part of the customer success team here at Outfield. Today, we will highlight the advantages Outfield has over the antiquated method that nearly 40% of sales organizations are still using, Excel spreadsheets. At a macro level, Outfield has several advantages over Excel. It's intuitive, resource efficient, specialized to field sales, and streamlined to work with your current sales operation. Let's take a closer look at the 12 reasons why Outfield is the right choice as your field sales companion. Number 1. It's mobile friendly. Outfield is the easiest field sales tool to use on the go. You can document visits with customers, capture raw data, and stay organized all from your phone or tablet. Look at this side-by-side comparison of capturing data with Excel versus Outfield. The difference is stark. Also worth noting is that Outfield allows you to easily capture photos, which is important for any type of field merchandising or marketing role. Number 2. Communication. When managing a field sales team, having a reliable, real-time communication system is of utmost importance. With Outfield, conversations can be tied directly to events occurring in the field. Look at this team making adjustments on the fly. Try doing that with Excel. Number 3. Real-time data. With Excel, your data is only updated when you physically input information and save your spreadsheet. With Outfield, sales visits automatically sync with the web-based version, so managers can view activities as they occur, saving time and effort in the process. Number 4. Location services. Switching to a mobile field sales tool like Outfield introduces new benefits that could never be found in a spreadsheet. Location services introduce route planning, geographic analysis, and live traffic conditions. Route planning and optimization can minimize time wasted on the road and save money in mileage reimbursements. By using the heat map, you can analyze your territories and identify where your resources are currently being allocated and where you might want to start focusing your efforts. With traffic conditions, you can view road closures and bottlenecks before you hit the streets, giving you the knowledge to have a productive day in the field. Number 5. Cloud services. With Outfield, you can securely access your data from anywhere at any time. All you need is a username and password. Your information doesn't sit on a hard drive, accessible by only one person at a time, and subject to theft or physical damage at any moment. Number 6. Easy professional reporting. You may think that Excel provides a superior reporting experience with their set of reporting tools, but what a spreadsheet lacks is automating a robust professional report. You could of course spend hours and hours making a perfect spreadsheet, but why do that when you could just use Outfield? By using the Outfield filters, you can craft a professionally styled report with all the information you need at a moment's notice. Number 7. Less administrative work. Outfield helps sales managers focus on the important stuff, like actually managing their team. You no longer need to fuss with building, updating, and maintaining a spreadsheet. The last thing you want to do after a long sales quarter is update a spreadsheet that looks like this. Keep your sanity and let Outfield automate those time-consuming tasks that pull you away from your responsibilities. Number 8. Responsive to market needs. Outfield was built for field sales and marketing. Excel was not. Furthermore, Outfield is designed to adapt with market trends and customer needs. Many of the features you see on Outfield were built because customers needed them. Try suggesting a feature to Microsoft and see how that goes. Number 9. A centralized solution. Oftentimes, sales teams don't use a specified Excel template and end up wasting time trying to compile all the reps and numbers together. With Outfield, everyone is filling the same form out, and data is automatically aggregated into analytics and reports. Number 10. Accountability tools. With Excel, there is hardly any way to verify field rep activity. Outfield provides accountability tools out of the box. Timestamps and geotags help you understand how your resources are being allocated, making it easier to adjust sales operations on the fly. Number 11. Cost efficiency. When it comes to dollars and cents, Outfield is cheaper. Excel takes man-hours to set up and maintain, and as we all know, time equals money. With Outfield, you no longer have to dedicate your resources to a spreadsheet. Instead, dedicate them to analyzing sales trends to make profit-soaring changes to your sales strategy. Number 12. Outfield is fun to use. Give yourself and your reps a tool that encourages focus and engagement. The benefits of having a tool that your team loves can outweigh almost anything when it comes to productivity. If you take anything away from this comparison, make it this. Excel is a tool that you have to work for, while Outfield is the tool that works for you. Make the switch today and experience the field reimagined.